Hey, welcome to Pelox Industry. Build your dream and creative tech project. Today we're going to build something interesting. So this project is distance detector using ultrasonic sensor and few other components. Without further ado, let's get started. We are going to need Arduino Uno, a breadboard, the ultrasonic sensor, single RGB LED, some jumper wires. We are also going to need some 220 ohm resistor for the LED. And finally, we're going to need a buzzer or a mini speaker just like mine. Or you can just use a buzzer if you don't have a mini speaker. So this is the setup. This is the wiring setup. As you can see, you see the ultrasonic sensor, the buzzer and the LED. If you look at this picture carefully, you're going to be able to trace the wire and where it is going to and where it is connected to. Like that, you're going to be able to note down where every component are connected to. Then you can now apply it to your main components, your main setup, I mean. So this is the code we're going to be using for this project. It's not too long though, but it's kind of long. So you can check under the description below for the full code, so you can just copy and paste it in your system. So I've uploaded the code to the Arduino. As you can see, it's turning green right now. If I put man, it's going to turn blue. If I put man too close, it's going to turn red. So that's basically it. You can hear the beeping, right? If I put man too close, it's going to beep faster. And if I put man not too close, it's going to beep like every second. And you can check your serial monitor. If you check your serial monitor, you're going to see the distance the ultrasonic sensor is reading. If you put your hands too close, you're going to see that the distance is a little bit smaller value, and when you remove your hand, the distance are going to be larger values, right? So that's basically it. So that's it for this video. Comment down your thoughts about what you think about this video, and if you have any question, just let me know under the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.